Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 3, Unit A Flora and Fauna, Natural Resources and Plants from the book GK 5. First, search the names of medicinal plants in the given word grid and encircle them. So, there is a word grid given, you can see. We have to circle the medicinal plants. Okay, so let's do it. So, the first one I can see is neem. I'll mark it. Then there is cocoa. Then we have cinchona. Then we have ginseng. Then I can see foxglove. Then we have poppy. Here I can see tulsi. This is eucalyptus. I'll mark it. Now there is some sentences written. Plants are extremely useful. Some plants give us medicines. जो plants होते हैं वो हमारे लिए काफी ज्यादा यूजफुल होते हैं और जो कुछ plants होते हैं वो हमें medicines भी देते हैं. अभी हमने कुछ जो mark किए medicinal plants थे सारे. Okay. Then we have the second one. Write the names of the following plants with the help of help box. So we have to write the name of medicinal plants here. We have a help box. We have different options. Cocoa, cinchona, ginseng, foxglove, poppy, tulsi, eucalyptus, neem. Okay. So the first one use as germicide. So here the plant is neem. Okay. Then second, gives relief from cough in chronic bronchitis and asthma. ये हमें रिलीफ देता है कफ से और क्रॉनिक ब्रोंकाइटिस से और एस्थमा से. सो दैट इज तुलसी. देन थर्ड, मेडिसिन फॉर मलेरिया. मलेरिया के लिए जो मेडिसिन है दैट इज सिंचोना. So the fourth one, used to restore strength and vitality. Strength और vitality को restore करने के लिए use करते हैं. That is ginseng. Okay. Then we have the fifth one, gives drugs used to make heart strong. ये drugs देता है और ये heart को strong करने के लिए basically drug बनाने में help करता है. That is foxglove. Then we have the sixth one, gives painkiller called morphine. इससे हमें एक painkiller मिलती है that is morphine. So that plant is poppy. Then seventh, used as cold and cough medicine. ये cold और cough medicine की तरह use किया जाता है ये plant, that is eucalyptus. Then 8, used to remove headache. Headache को remove करने के लिए use किया जाता है, that is cocoa. Then here we have think and answer. Which medicinal plants are beneficial for making medicines? Many plants are used to make medicines. Commonly used medicinal plants are that is aloe vera, tulsi, ginger, turmeric, and many other. Then here we have info bits. Digitalis, a medication used to treat heart condition, is derived from the foxglove plant. Digitalis एक medication होती है जो कि हार्ट कंडीशन को ट्रीट करने के लिए यूज की जाती है एंड ये हमें डिराइव होती है फॉक्सग्लव से. ओके. देन वी हैव द टीचर्स नोट. Explain to the students the benefits of medicinal plants. Ask them questions about how they can grow medicinal plants. Now we have the third question. Complete the given flow chart with the help of the help box. So we have to complete this flow chart and we have a help box as well. We have different options. Non-renewable resources, sunlight, animal products, wind, water, coal, geothermal, gas, oil. Okay, so first there is written natural resources. Natural resources are of two types. They have categories. First is renewable resources. Another one we have to write. So another one is non-renewable resources. Okay. Then renewable resources again categorized into two parts, inexhaustible and exhaustible. So under inexhaustible, we have three blanks. Okay. So in the first one, we'll write sunlight. Then in the second one, we'll write wind. And in the third one, we'll write geothermal. Okay. Then we have the exhaustible one, which has two blanks. One is already given, soil. So the exhaustible one is water. And here, animal products. Okay. Then non-renewable resources again categorized into mineral resources. We have again three blanks. So there is, I'll write in the first one coal, then gas, then here oil. Okay. Then in the end we have infobit. A gas takes 1300 times more space than a liquid. जो gas होती है वो 1300 times ज़्यादा space लेती है liquid से. Okay. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.